Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going to do day 24 of the September Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem. Today's poem is 799 Champagne Tower. Okay, let's see. So we stack glasses in a pyramid. Okay, something like this. Now after pouring some non-negative in it, how full the Jave glass in the ith row is. Okay. So I guess it's like a percentage from 0 to 1. Okay, I mean, I think this is just in a way simulation. It's gonna be like a little bit of a dynamic programming. Man, one of my doors not closed tight, and it's like making a creaking sound. But yeah, but I think that should be fine. And we have less than 100 rows and 100 columns, so I'm not even going to make an optimization, because I think you can do a sort of a space optimization to kind of get it down from all times C to just O of all or something like this. But we don't even have to worry about it, given that it's such a small thing. We do want to return a float, which we have to be mindful about, but that should be fine. So okay, so first thing first, let's set this up. So let's just actually, I'm just gonna write it the other way. I think it's a little bit cleaner. So let's say we start with port, right, and maybe we'll just convert the flow right off the bat. Why not, right? So then now, and this is the first row. Okay, 0 index. That's what I was looking for. I was just checking to see if it's the 0th index. Wait, why is that not? Oh, because this is 0 index. Okay, yeah. So then now we can do something like query row. What am I doing? Is that right? So query row is 1, then we do this once. That's not right. So because we already kind of did one row. So then now next is equal to just this, and then now for maybe I'll write it the other way. So 0.0 times length of kern plus 1, right? And now for I guess for R is equal to row, because on the ith row or off row, there's going to be R elements. So I guess I could just write this also R plus 1 or something like this, right? And maybe I could also just write from 1 to, maybe that's a little bit cleaner. Yeah, and then now for C in range of I guess R plus 1, which is the number of columns, right? I guess there are two ways to write this, actually. Now that I think about it, I mean, it should be obvious, I just didn't think about it, which is that you can kind of fetch it from the previous one, or you could get it from the next one, right? So actually, I think this is a little bit cleaner to write getting from the previous one. So then now you have kern of C, minus 1 is the amount that floats, and then over 2 for left and the right. So then now overflow is going to be equal to this thing, right? For each thing. So then now next of C we add it to the overflow, and next of C plus 1 we also add it to the overflow. We also want to make sure that this is at least 0. Yeah, which can happen if this is less than 1, I suppose. Yeah, and then at the very end, and then obviously we have to update this, and then I think at the very end we can just return kern of query glass, which is the column, I suppose. And I think technically you can also just do like a min here, because you don't, or like min plus 1 or query class plus 1 or something like this, because things that goes way to the right you don't really care about, but for simplicity's sake we can do something like this. Did I mess something up? I probably did. I mean, I probably have it off by one somewhere, but what am I doing? One glasses, one index, right? Okay, yeah. Always off by one. Let's see. So I'll type one. Oh yeah, this should be inclusive. If that's what we're looking for, yeah. Okay. All right, that looks good. On the this is actually a good test because on the last thing it continues to overflow. We just haven't kind of done it yet, so I guess we should add that to a thing, and I think we should be Gucci. Actually, I definitely would have missed this one. I'm not gonna lie. A little bit lazy today, maybe. Let's give it a submit. Hopefully, didn't miss another silly case. And yep, last time, what did I miss last time? I don't know what cat case is, but yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this one. It's kind. I mean, you could kind of frame it as dynamic programming, and I think that's what rigid labeling is kind of tricky, right? Because in a way, yeah, this maybe you can look at it and think of it as dynamic programming, but the way that I think about it is just simulation, right? You just start with the amount on top, and then you kind of simulate one row at a time, and it just so happens that the structure and the code and things like this look like dynamic programming. But I don't know. All right, that's all I have for today. I am right now on like a 24-hour fast. And I'm doing another fast, so I don't know. Maybe I'm a little bit groggy as a result. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. The contest is in like an hour or so, so good luck to that. That's all I have. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.